Right now, Pengu has become one of the headline meme tokens in space, especially given its roots in the NFT world. It's trading around 3 to 4 cents USD, with some platforms showing values like $0.0323, Binance, and $0.0373, Coinbase. Its market cap is huge for a memecoin, hovering in the billions, and it's become more than just a novelty. It's now bridging NFT culture, branding, and speculative capital. The recent surge in Pengu's value has been powered by a few key dynamics. First, demand in the meme or NFT hybrid space is strong. Because Pengu is tied to the Pudgy Penguins brand, a well-known NFT project, it carries extra narrative weight that gives it a legitimacy others lack. Analysts have pointed out that over a recent 7-day stretch, Pengu jumped over 100%, pulling in large flows and topping meme coin rankings. Also fueling the rise is technical momentum. Pengu has broken past resistance zones, triggering topside interest. Some chart patterns suggest possible breakout moves towards $0.041 if the current formation holds. On the flip side, support near $0.028 is being watched closely. If that holds, it could act as a base for further advances. Recent news adds spice. A big driver was the announcement that Pengu's market cap passed $2 billion amid partnerships and hype. Also, there are hints of institutional interest. One story describes a proposed ETF by Canary Capital, which would allocate much of its holdings to Pengu tokens and related NFTs, elevating its profile in tradfi circles. On the product side, the Pudgy Penguins project is pushing into physical goods, for instance, Pudgy toys that tie into the NFT ecosystem, giving holders real-world touches connecting to the digital side. That kind of crossover is valuable, because it helps reduce purely speculative noise. Still, it's not all smooth sailing. Meme coins are fragile by nature. If the broader crypto market turns sour, speculative tokens feel it first. There's also the risk of profit-taking by big holders who got in early. Given how much upside Pengu has already achieved, some sellers will likely lock in gains. If support breaks, a drop towards $0.022 or even lower is possible. Looking ahead, what might happen? Optimistic scenarios point to Pengu pushing toward 5 cents to 6 cents USD in a favorable environment, especially if NFT momentum continues and more real use or institutional involvement arrives. Some forecasts even stretch toward 10 cents in speculative cycles if hype magnifies. More conservatively, many see a range between $0.025 and $0.040 being realistic in the near term, assuming continued support and controlled volatility.